Hi there, 8th grade. Welcome back. I am so sorry that I did not post last week as much as I should have. I did not post on Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday of last week. So I will kind of catch you guys up on what needs to be accomplished there, which is not much. I will exclude you from most of the work that we did just because I didn't post it. And that's on me. I am so sorry. I thought that I had set up my scheduled, Google Classroom posts, and I did not. So since I didn't assign it, I can't really grade anything from those days. So what I will have you guys do is I am going to kind of show you guys what we did in class and what I would like you guys to catch up on. So let's go to my slide presentations here for just a moment, and we are going to look at last week. Yep, last week, the 12th through the 15th, sorry. Alrighty, so starting with Wednesday, we did read on Tuesday, we read the Hubble space article, and we introduced it with another Hubble article presentation, which I will attach for you guys. I do want you to at least listen to the article that we worked on, so I will show you how to get to that. So how to get to the article, the Hubble article that I would like you guys to all read. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. I meant to go to Google Classroom, sorry. Here we go. Let's get to our Hubble article. I'm just going to use period 1 and 2 as my sample. We're going to go to classwork up at the top. We're going to scroll all the way down to online textbook. Okay. We will click on the online textbook, say take me there now. Yours might look a little different than mine. So just click on the link and kind of follow through until your page looks like mine. We're going to look at the student edition. Here we go. Okay, so for the Hubble article, we are going to go up to the 3 lines up at the top right that say menu in the table of contents to take us all the way to Unit 5, Invention. Now we are still working in the small group, so we will click on small group learning, and we are going to click on 25 years later, Hubble sees beyond troubled start. We will click right there. And hopefully there it is. So here is our article, and it is almost just shy of 10 minutes long. I would like you to at least listen to this article because I have a few questions on our upcoming test, which is tomorrow. You guys can take this when you come back, but for on the test for tomorrow, you will be answering some questions that involve this text. So you will need to listen to it. It'll take you about 10 minutes. And after we finish that, let's kind of go back to our slideshow here to see what we missed. I think that was it. So let's jump forward, flash forward to today. Today, we started new IXLs. We started DD.3 and DD.4. Those will be due on Friday. And I did have a whole lot of students finish them in class today with only 10 minutes. So they are appearing to be pretty simple. They should not take you too long. Read theories, those are also due on Friday. I need to see 2 of those. Today in class we played Jeopardy to kind of catch up and study for our test. I will put the link in there just so that you guys can click through the questions and see what the answers are, even if it's just you guys that are doing it, that'll be fine. We completed an author's purpose task card kind of thing, and you will not need to make this one up at all either, okay? We did watch what are the top 10 inventions in human history. I will place the video on today's assignment as well. So, and I'll make sure that you guys have everything that you need for this. And the comp questions. So the comp questions are just basically going through what all of the inventions from the top 10 invention video were. Okay. All of these will be posted along with this assignment. So you should see links for everything. If you have any trouble getting into any of this stuff, just please let me know. Send me an email. I am always here to help, but As of right at this moment, the list of things that you need to get done will be to, number one, listen to the Hubble article. If you have not already done so, listen to the Hubble article. Then you will be working on your IXL for this week. Read theory as well. You can click through the Jeopardy to study for your quiz, which you will take when you come back. And then watch the top 10 inventions video and answer the comp questions that go along with this video. Okay? All of this should not take you too long to catch up on. This is not very difficult work. Okay? And that is all I have for you today. I hope that all of you are feeling well. And if you don't feel well, I hope you feel better soon. And I will see you all very soon this week. Good luck, and I will be here if you have any questions.